This is a Burg Wachter Atlantic. I haven't even taken the keys off of it yet. I didn't have any of these in my collection, so I ordered one from Amazon. And, these are actually very nice. Very nice locks. Very nice padlocks. Everything about them's great. This one has a 5-pin core. It's absolutely full of spools. The tolerances are great. I mean, brass with a solid steel outer core, or solid steel armor. Shrouded shackle for cut protection. I have absolutely no complaints. Like with everything, like these padlocks, they're not exactly for super high security situations, but I mean, if you were going to get something to protect a shed or something, this thing would be great. So going in, one, got counter rotation and a click at a 2. Alright, so 3. Let's make sure I got that set. Alright, and I think number 1 dropped down. And we're open. But yeah, that's the Burg Wachter Atlantic. 5-pin core, 5 spools. Super nice lock.